let's be honest, up to this point, I've cataloged heads being ripped off, or tunnels being built, or roughly a mixture of Art of War, Sun Tzu, pep talks, or the state of our existential dread. But really, I can't be the sole caretaker of these ants and not provide culture for if one day you're put in a position where you have to impress people. So today, instead of talking about the 3 or 4 of you that killed each other, which did occur, I'm going to teach you something a little more useful. So today we'll learn how to make creme brulee. What you'll need: 4 cups of cream, 2/3 cup of sugar, granulated, 12 egg yolks separated, 1 vanilla bean pod, 8 teaspoons of turbinado sugar, and a pinch of salt. Not even worth writing down. First, heat your oven at 300 degrees. Next step, put half of the cream plus the granulated sugar. Scrape out the vanilla pods with a paring knife. Also drop the pod itself, the salt, into a saucepan. Heat it up till it's combined, 15 minutes, medium. Then, separately, whisk the yolks of the eggs with 1 cup of the cold cream, followed by another cup of the cold cream. Combine it all. After the 15 minutes of the warmed step 2, you have it off heat. You combine them together, strain out the solids, take out separately into a large measuring cup, and pour into 4 to 5 ramekins or shallow fluted dishes. Place them inside of a baking dish, recommending putting a dishcloth on the bottom of the baking dish. Fill the ramekins. Pour a boiling kettle of water on the baking dish, not to splash into the ramekins. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. You can begin checking it at about 25 minutes or so, depending on your oven or altitude. You want to look for about 175 degrees on an instant read thermometer. Remove it. 2 hours on a wire rim baking rack to cool. Then cover, saran wrap, whatever granola version there is compared to that, covered in the fridge 4 hours minimum. Take them out. You can go up to 4 days if you want. Take them out, sprinkle evenly your turbinado sugar on top. Take whatever sharper image blowtorch you got, or go into your dad's workbench, pull out the big boy. You can tilt it at a slight angle, use the torch, caramelize the turbinado sugar on the top, return it back to the fridge for 45 minutes, no longer, 30 minutes if you're in a rush, to cool. Then serve. This might add a bit of culture to your otherwise primal instincts. Hopefully, you can impress someone one day.